Hey, buongiorno! Today we're making limoncello. It takes a bit of time, but it's remarkably easy. Well, if you don't use a clumsy tool like this one. So, I'm gonna do it old school with a small potato knife. I'm removing as much of the zest as I can, trying to minimize the amount of white, because that will give a bit of flavor to our limoncello, and that's the last thing we want. Once you have enough zest, get a mason jar and toss them all in. Then, add your alcohol. I'm using 95% alcohol that someone smuggled out of Italy for me. Close it, and now we wait. Leave it in a dark spot for at least 24 days. 30 is also fine, above that is a bit unnecessary. After a few weeks, it should extract all the color and flavor from the zest. Now, we'll make an easy syrup. I don't want my limoncello to be too sweet, so with 1.6 liters of boiling water, I add about 500 grams of sugar and let it fully dissolve in the water. Now get yourself a sieve. What the heck is that thing? Oh. Dump in the alcohol mixture. The zest turned white and of a crisp-like texture. In the meantime, the syrup needs to cool down to room temp. The limonene, which are the essential oils out of the zest, and the ethanol are fully miscible, and so is the sugar and water. But once combined, the water and the limonene aren't really that fond of each other, which in turn makes a limoncello turbid by what is called the ouzo effect. Interesting. Let's go. As you can see, the color turned out perfectly, and it's very turbid. Next step, pacify your baby and get some limoncello bottles ready. Let's fill them up. I'm in love with that color. It's almost fluorescent. I was so mesmerized I even overfilled it a bit. Fill the rest of the stash. And that's it. Save them either in or outside the freezer and enjoy. Salute! You can share them with friends and family, and they're great as a gift. By the way, if you can source some unripe walnuts, you can also make nocino, limoncello's little brother. It's very similar to limoncello. You add unripe walnuts, a bit of lemon zest, some coffee beans and alcohol. Now stash away for 60 days and you'll end up with this beautiful black liquid. And it smells like, well, mainly alcohol, with a hint of walnut. Make another syrup, stir and then strain your alcohol mixture. Now we have two liquids, let's throw them together. Then pour in a bottle and you're done. Here we have limoncello and its little, slightly obese brother, nocino. I highly recommend both of them. Thanks for watching and see you next time. And if you liked it, why not give me a like?